Hello children, welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. So let us start our today's question. This is from Polynomial Chapter Exercise 2.2 Question number 1 fourth part. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. What is meant by quadratic polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is 2. So the polynomial is 4u square plus 8u. Degree is 2. So let us start our solution. 4u square plus 8u plus 0 I am writing from on side. I will tell you the reason why I am writing it. So let us suppose give it name as pu. U we are writing because the variable used in this polynomial is u. So we give it a name as pu equals to 4u square plus 8u. First part mein you have to find the zeros of this polynomial. Finding zeros of a polynomial simply means you have to solve pu equals to 0. So take pu equals to 0. Take the value of pu from here. 4u square plus 8u equals to 0. Now what you see common in these two terms? Take out 4u common. What remains from the first term? U. What remains from the second term? 2. Bracket closed equals to 0. Now this is the product of two terms. 4u into u plus 2 equals to 0. When the product of two terms is 0, it means either the first term is 0 or the second term is 0. So I write 4u equals to 0 or u plus 2 equals to 0. Solve it for u. You will get u equals to 0 upon 4, which gives you u equals to 0. Similarly, solve this for you get u equals to minus 2. So these are the two answers for u which you are getting 0 and minus 2. These itself they are giving you the zeros of the polynomial. So 0 simply means you have to just take this polynomial and equate it equals to 0. Means polynomial को आपने एक equation में convert करना है जिसका right side क्या होना चाहिए 0. And just keep on solving this equation for the variable present in this equation. So in this case it was u, so that is why I have got the values for u as 0 and minus 2. So what your first answer? Therefore the two zeros of the polynomial pu are 0 comma minus 2. So this was your first part of the question which was asked. Second part where it is asked verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial. So let us give some name to these zeros. एक तो जीरो है आपका जीरो, सेकेंड जीरो इज माइनस टू. सो लेट अस सपोज एल्फा इज इक्वल टू जीरो एंड बीटा इक्वल्स टू माइनस टू. नाउ व्हाट डू मीन बाय वेरिफिकेशन? कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. टू वेरीफाई that sum of the zeros equals to minus b upon a. What is b? Coefficient of x. A is coefficient of x square. And you have to also verify that product of the zeros equals to c upon a, means constant term upon coefficient of x square. So let us write down the equation again in order to get the values of ABC. This was the equation given to you in the question. This was the polynomial given to you 4u square plus 8u plus 0. If I equate it equals to 0, it will become a quadratic equation. General representation of quadratic equation is like this: ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, degree 2. If I compare these two, I will get the values of ABCs. What is A? Coefficient of x square. So what is variable here? U. So coefficient of u square will be your A. So A equals to 4. What is B? Coefficient of x. So here x is represented by u. So coefficient of u is 8. So B का value कितना हो गया? 8. Constant term C. C is 0. That is why I have written this 0 from my own side, because there was no constant term given in the polynomial. But I always write it plus 0, because if I write plus 0, I am not doing any change in this polynomial. So the value of C becomes 0, right? Now you have to verify alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. So I write it again, alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. Now what you see, you have all the values of these terms which are given in this verification expression. Alpha is how much? We have obtained as 0. Beta was minus 2. This was in your previous page. I have obtained alpha as 0 and beta is minus 2, right? So I just substitute the values of alpha, beta and a, b, c's from here. So this is your expression. Alpha आप 0 put कीजिए, beta is minus 2 from here equals to this minus is of your expression itself. B का value is 8, so write down 8. A is how much? 4. Right, now keep on solving left side and keep on solving right side. So 0 plus minus 2 becomes 0 minus 2, which gives you minus 2. this side minus 8 upon 4, they get cancelled, you will get minus 2. So what you get, left side is also minus 2, right side is also minus 2. When both the sides are same, it means hence verified. Right, this was regarding the sum of the zeros. Let us come to the verification of product of the zeros, c upon a. That means you have to show that a product of zeros is equal to c upon a. C is constant term and a is your coefficient of x square. So pick the values of alpha, beta, a, b, c from above. So alpha is 0, beta is minus 2, c is how much, 0, a is how much, 4. Right, so 0 into minus 2 gives you 0, equals to 0 upon 4 gives you 0. So what do you see, 0 equals to 0, left side equals to right side. So you get hence verified. So these were the two verifications of this question. I hope children it is understood to you. Bye bye.